Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Okay, you are fine. Hope you are doing well. So you all know that due to the weather condition, we have to conduct online classes. So you need to listen the lessons very carefully and promptly and attentively, and you need to do whatever the task will be given to you. Okay. So now today is 7th November 2024. Now who will tell me what is the day today? Yes. Subhan, tell us. Thursday. So Subhan told us that today is Thursday. So class, this is for our class 4 and this is your lesson of computer. Okay. So now who will tell me what is the what we were learning in the last class, in the previous lesson? Yes, I stand up. Tell me what we were learning in the last class. What is the name of the chapter? Yes, we were talking about unit number 4. And what is the name of the chapter? Farhad, stand up. Yes, pioneers of computer. So this is the name of our chapter. So now who will tell me what we were discussing in this chapter? Yes. So class, let me revise the previous lesson that we have talked about. Who will tell me what is the name of the first pioneer? Raise your hands. Yes, Ayman, stand up. Tell us what is the name of the first pioneer? Yes, very good. Blaise Pascal. Sit down. Now, what is the name of the calculator that Blaise Pascal invented? Who will tell me? Okay, Ishan, stand up. What is the name of the calculator? Very good. Pascaline. Pascaline. Okay. And what is the function of this calculator? Who will tell me what is the function of this calculator? Raise your hands. Yes. Danish, stand up. Tell me what is the name of the calculator? What is the function of this calculator, Pascaline? Yes, very good. It can add or subtract. Now raise your hands. Who will tell me what is the second function of this calculator? Yes. What is the quality in it? Okay. It has a movable dice. Very good. Sit down. So, who will tell me what is the name of the second pioneer? Raise your hands. Yes. So, therefore, stand up. Tell me what is the name of the second pioneer. Very good. Gottfried Leibniz. Everyone, clap for Huzafa. Very good. Huzafa, you told us the right answer. Now, who will tell me what is the name of the calculator that Gottfried Leibniz invented? Farhad, stand up. Tell me what is the name of the calculator. Very good. Leibniz calculator. Now, who will tell me what is the function of this calculator? Yes, very good. I'm Shimas. So, the function of this calculator is it can multiply and divide. Very good. Okay, students. Leibniz calculator, it is used to multiply and divide. Okay. Now let's move forward to our third calculator, third pioneer. What is the name of the third pioneer? Yes. Okay. So Burhan told us that the name of the third pioneer is Charles Babbage. So, what is the name of the calculator Charles Babbage invented? Raise your hands who will tell me. Yes. Saad, stand up and tell me what is the name of the calculator that Charles Babbage invented? Very good. Difference engine. Difference engine and analytical engine. Very good. Sit down. Now, who will tell me what is the name of, what is the function of this calculator? Yes. Stand up. Emma, stand up and tell me what is the function of this calculator? Very good. It can calculate or compute data. Very good. Sit down. And there is another purpose of this calculator. Okay. Iman Fatma, stand up. Tell me what is the other function of this calculator? Very good. It cannot make any mistakes. Very good. Sit down. Now, our fourth and the last name of the inventor is Hermann Hollerith. Very good. Okay, now who will tell me what is the name of the calculator Hermann Hollerith invented? Raise your hands higher. Yes. Aisha, stand up and tell me what is the name. Very good. Hermann Hollerith invented punch card and tabulating machine. Very good. Now, who will tell me what is the purpose of punch card and what is the purpose of tabulating machine? Raise your hands. Yes. Anabia, stand up. What is the purpose of punch card? Very good. Punch card can store data. And who will tell me what is the purpose of tabulating machine? Anaya. Anaya, stand up and tell me what is the purpose of tabulating machine? Very good. It can process data. So, let me revise it once again that the name of our first pioneer is Blaise Pascal and the calculator that he invented is Pascal. It can add or subtract. It has 8 movable dials. And the name of our second pioneer is Gottfried Leibniz. He invented the calculator Leibniz calculator. And there is another name of Leibniz calculator. Who will tell me what is the name? Ummehani. Yes? Very good. So the other name of Leibniz calculator is Tabt-Reckoner. It can multiply and divide. Next, our third inventor is Charles Babbage. And Charles Babbage is also called as the father of the modern computer. Okay, what is the name of the calculator that he invented? Very good. Difference engine and analytical engine. It cannot make any mistakes and it can calculate or compute our data. Compute means to calculate. Very good. And what is the name of our fourth pioneer? Yes, Hermann Hollerith. Hermann Hollerith invented calculators. One is the punch card and the second is the tabulating machine. Punch card can store data and tabulating machine can process that data. Very good. Okay. Okay, now let's move forward over today's main topic. Okay. Okay class, so our today's main topic is, you have already studied about all the question answers you have done and completed your question answers in your notebooks. So today we are going to do the filling the blanks as well as the true false. So, okay, class, you have completed your 4 questions in your notebooks. 2 were in our physical session and 2 is already given in our previous lesson. Okay. So now today we are going to write our filling the blanks, and you need to write these filling the blanks in your notebooks. Okay. So our first filling the blank is, who invented Pascal? So students, our first filling the blank is, who invented an early mechanical calculator called Pascal? Raise your hands. Who will tell me what is the name of the inventor who invented the calculator Pascal? Yes. Ayan, stand up and tell us. Very good. Blaise Pascal invented an early mechanical calculator called Pascal. Very good. So let's move forward over second filling the blanks. Charles Babbage invented dash calculator in 1823. Now let's make it easy for you that Charles Babbage invented dash engine in 1823. Raise your hands. Who will tell me what is the name of the calculator that Charles Babbage invented? Raise your hands. Yes. So, Abdul Hadi told us that the name of the calculator is difference engine. Very good. Sit down, Hadi. Now let's move forward to our third filling the blank. Dash is known as the father of modern computer. Who will tell me? Raise your hands. Hurry up. Yes. Atka, stand up. Tell me what is the name of the who is called as the father of modern computer. Raise your hands. Yes. Very good. Sit down. So the name of the inventor who is called as the father of modern computer is Charles Babbage. Now students, our fourth fill in the blank is Herman Hollerith invented the dash card. So what should come in this fill in the blank? Raise your hands who will tell me. Yes. Okay. So Anna told me that Herman Hollerith invented the punch card. Very good. So punch card should be written in this blank. Okay. I am highlighting these blanks so you can identify what should be written in these blanks. Okay. So let's move forward over fifth one. So students, our fifth blank is the dash can add and subtract. So what should be coming in? What should be written in this blank? The dash can add and subtract. So here should be coming the name of the calculator which is used to add and subtract. Raise your hands. Who will tell me? Yes. Iman Fatma, stand up. Very good. The Pascaline. The Pascaline calculator is used to add and subtract. So the Pascaline can add and subtract. Very good. Sit down. So class, this is your today's lesson, and also you have to write these fill in the blanks in your notebooks, and also you need to learn these fill in the blanks. Okay. So let me revise this once again. Dash invented an early mechanical calculator called Pascaline. Who will tell me what is the answer? Yes. Noor, stand up. Tell me what is the name of the inventor that invented an early mechanical calculator called Pascaline? Very good. Blaise Pascal invented an early mechanical calculator called Pascaline. Charles Babbage invented the dash engine in 1823. Raise your hands. Who will tell me? Yes. So Saad told us that Charles Babbage invented the difference engine in 1823. Dash is termed as the father of modern computer. Raise your hands. Who will tell me? Yes. Very good. So Hani told us that Charles Babbage is also known as the father of modern computer. Herman Hollerith invented the dash card. Okay, Farhad. Yes, very good. Herman Hollerith invented the punch card. The dash can add and subtract. Raise your hands. Who will tell me? Very good. The Pascaline can add and subtract. So the Pascaline calculator is used to add and subtract, and Leibniz calculator is used to multiply and divide. So students, this is for today's lesson, and you need to write down these in the blanks in your notebooks, and you need to learn these. Okay.